HubSpot CRM is a powerful tool for managing and streamlining sales processes. Here's how to use HubSpot CRM effectively for sales. Set up your account. Create an account. Sign up for HubSpot CRM and set up your sales pipeline, which reflects the stages of your sales process. Customize properties. Define custom properties to capture key data for your business, such as lead sources, deal value, or customer interests. Manage contacts and deals. Add contacts. Import or manually add contacts to your CRM. HubSpot allows you to track detailed contact info, such as communication history and interactions. Track deals. Create deals linked to your contacts. Track each deal through the pipeline stages. You can set deal value, expected close dates, and more. Automate tasks. Set reminders. Automate follow-up emails, task reminders, and meeting scheduling to stay on top of your deals. Workflows. Use HubSpot's workflow automation to nurture leads with email sequences and assign tasks to team members based on deal progress. Monitor performance. Reports and analytics. Use HubSpot's reporting tools to track sales activities, conversions, and performance metrics, helping you optimize your strategy.